This is a beginner to intermediate level at-home arm workout that only requires 2 dumbbells. Hi, I'm Coach Jamie Dreyer, and if you're looking to start an at-home exercise program that safely builds strength, flexibility, and some nice arms, then go ahead and click the link below for my free 4-week foundational strength challenge. So we're going to split up this arm workout into 2 sections. First is going to be triceps, then we're going to come back and hit biceps. Now, just a heads up, if you need to slow it down because you haven't done arms in a while, then go ahead and hit pause every now and then. I'm going to go through this at a fairly quick pace because the goal is for your arms to be screaming on fire by the time we're done in a very short amount of time. All right? If they're burning, that's fine. That's our goal. Okay, here we go. We're going to start off with triceps. There's 4 exercises. The first one is a push-up. Now, I'm going to do them on the floor, but if you want, you can also do them elevated to make it easier. All right, you grab a couch or a cabinet or something like that. You can do your push-ups like this. Anybody else who's on the floor, I'm going to meet you right down there. We're doing 10 reps, okay? Here we go. And getting started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good. All right, let's grab those 2 dumbbells. Kickbacks are first. So if you can do them both at the same time and hold this position, great. If you're a little stiff and not so flexible, you can go one arm at a time with your feet like so, supported. This is going to be 15 reps. Here we go. Squeeze it at the top. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You got to keep those elbows high. And don't let them swing too far forward. Not a lot of momentum here. 12, 13, 14, and 15. All right, very minimal break. I told you, they're going to get uncomfortable. Next up is what we call a French press. You can either use 2 of them or just 1, depending on how heavy your dumbbell is and how awkward this is to hold, right? So we're going to take them up overhead. I like these dumbbells because I can actually press them together. If yours are sliding around, then just do your best. Elbows are fairly straight up. Let them bend back. Get a nice stretch, right? Like so. And you're going to do that for 15 reps. Here we go. 3, 4. You got it. 5, 6, 7. Oh man, I hear my elbow clicking. 8, 9. Good. Keep the elbows together. 10. Should be starting to burn a little. 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Great. Okay, next up, put those down. Grab a seat, chair, bench, ottoman, whatever you got. This is called a static dip. So your hands are on the edge of whatever you're sitting on, right? And you're just going to press into it. I want you from the side, you want your shoulders down and back, proud chest, right? You're just going to really engage those triceps. That might be enough work. If you want to make it a little harder, you can move your butt off the seat and hold it for 20 seconds. All right, shoulders back, proud chest. All right, try and let your weight just kind of hang there as much as you need it to. Flex those triceps nice and hard. Got another 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, that's your first 4 exercises. Grab a little sip of water. We're literally just going to do the same exact thing one more time through. Oh, of course, I spilled it all over myself already. Okay, so back to our push-ups. Now, I got some wrist issues. If you do too, you don't have to go flat palms. I'm going to go on my knuckles, basically just because my wrist is kind of funky sometimes. So here we go. We've got 10 push-ups. Do the version that works for you. Try and get as deep into it as you can. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here we go. Getting there. 8, 9, 10. Beautiful. All right, grab those dumbbells again. Kickbacks, all right? So again, if you need to do this one arm at a time, that's fine. If I'm getting ahead of you, just hit pause on the video. That's the beauty about all this. Here we go. Get over, elbows high, straight. 15 reps, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. I don't know about you, but I'm starting to feel it. 8, 9. 5 more. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, shake them out. Starting to burn. You got one more set overhead. Here we go. Get them up together. Keep the elbows narrow. They have a tendency to want to go out wide. Try and keep them together. It'll get a bigger stretch in the tricep. 2, going to 15. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You got it. 9, 10. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, coming into the stretch. Dips, grab a seat. Hands on the side. Ready, press it down. What's up, Stelly? Get the butt off. Love you, mama. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Halfway. Last 10, 9, 8. Press it up. Whoa, slipping. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. That's your triceps. Mine feel pretty pumped. If you want to, go ahead and rewind this and do another round. Be my guest. I'm going to leave it there. We can get a quick little tricep stretch. Just take the arm up, bend it back, and you can kind of pull your elbow back a little bit. Get a nice little stretch there. Loosen it up, and then we're going to go right into biceps. All right, similar structure. We have 4 exercises. They're going to be 10 reps, 15, 15, and then a 20-second hold 2 times through. Okay, so let's grab our dumbbells. First exercise is called a drag curl. All right, so you're probably familiar with like a regular curl. We're going to think of dragging the dumbbell up your body for 10 reps. So slide it up. So it means you're pulling your elbows much farther back. Right there, that's 1, 2, yep. Have it in contact, rubbing your side the whole time. 4, 5, 6, here we go. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, next up is what we call a pronated curl. So this is a supinated hand position, right? Think of like holding a bowl of soup. Pronated is going to be palms down. So it's going to hit the biceps a little bit differently. This is going to be 15 just regular curls, not a drag kind, so just right up like so. Here we go. 2, 3. You got it. 4, 5, 6. Looking good. 7, 8, 9, 10. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, so next up is called an alternating cross-body hammer curl, right? Hammers are like so, but we're going to take it across the body. It's alternating. It's going to be 15 reps per arm, so we're going to go all the way to 30. Count however you like to count. I'm going to count 30 so I don't screw myself up, especially talking to you guys and thinking about other things. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, nice and tall. 8, keep the shoulders back. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. That's my little dog trying to get out. 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, almost there. 8, 9, that's 30. Good. Okay, our last exercise. Mama, why don't you come sit over here? Come sit on the couch. Be cool. Be cool, baby. Be cool. All right, we got a static supinated curl. As I mentioned earlier, this is supinated, this is pronated. Static means we're just gonna hold it in this position for 20 seconds. Ready? And here we go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, just like so, 9, 10, 11, a little more than halfway, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Good, put them down. That's your first round. Shake them out a little bit, grab a sip of water. Good luck getting it up to your face. All right, great job. Same thing, right back to the top. We've got the dumbbell drag curl for 10 reps, all right? Here we go. Get set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, I love my dog, 8, 9, and 10. Oh yeah, I'm starting to feel it. Okay, this is the pronated curl, so palms down for 15. It should get uncomfortable. 2, 3, 4. You got it. Stay focused. 5, 6, 7, 8. If it's starting to burn and you can't do it and you're doing funky things, hit pause, take a moment. 9, 10, last 5. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh man, mine are screaming. I'm gonna shake it for a second before we go to the alternating curls, right? Whew. Okay, you guys are doing great. We're getting close, very close. Here we go again, ready? Boom, 1, 2, 3, cruise through it, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, halfway, 16, 17, 18, 19, burning, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, almost there, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, that's your 30. All right, remember we've got our static supinated curl, 20 seconds. Ready, killer? Here we go, get it up. That's it, we're on. 3, 4, 5, you got it. 6, stay with it. 7, 8, 9, halfway. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, whoo, 8, 9, and that's your 20 seconds. Nice job. If that was not enough for you, you could try heavier dumbbells or just go right into another round. Go ahead, hit rewind, take it back a couple of minutes, and do another round. Otherwise, fantastic job. Thank you very much for joining me. I'll catch you later. If you enjoyed that workout and you're looking for more along the same level, then go ahead and click the link below and sign up for my free 4-week foundational strength challenge.